Hey, happy person. I hope you're doing well. Well, I'm really late to the game. I mean, like really, really late. Actually, no. I'm not late because I'm just on time. But I realized that the 4th of July crept up on me. Happy 4th of July, by the way. And I didn't have any of my decorations up, and I wanted to make this banner for a couple of years now, and I just never got around to it. So I decided to just grab the materials and give it a go, see if I could crank it out on time for this wonderful celebration of our beautiful country, and I did. And I think it turned out pretty cute, and I wanted to share it with you. So I hope you enjoy. So I just realized that I did a very big mistake. And there it is. Look at that. It's upside down. And that one's right side up. And this one's upside down. I thought I had them all in the right direction, but I must not have. It doesn't look horrible, but it is very annoying. So I'm gonna have to redo it. At least 2 of them. Goodness gracious. I knew I shouldn't have stacked them, but I did. Oh well. Lesson learned. So I fixed it and it's beautiful. And I feel like such a smarty pants because instead of taking it apart and redoing it like I was going to, I realized, hey, I own this. This is only for me and no one's gonna notice. And you can't even notice on this that I just cut the piece out and glued it on top. And that only took me like 2 minutes. And that's amazing because I don't feel like doing this over again. I just had a wisdom tooth pulled out and I'm not feeling the greatest. Stinking duck alarm shut off my camera, but yeah, it's looking good. So now everything looks nice. Cool. As always, thank you so much for taking a moment out of your day to watch this video. I hope you have a beautiful and safe and lovely day today. Bye.